OMG guys, can you see the individual curls, the bounce, the shine, moisture and movement in my hair? And all this from my own DIY hair product. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be showing you how I made this multi-purpose hair product. It can be used as a detangler, PrePoo, curl activator and even a very moisturizing hair gel. So I'm starting off with clean hair, washed and conditioned a couple of days ago, so my hair is still pretty clean. But before I show you guys how I made this wonderful multi-purpose hair product that would literally change your wash day routine and cut the time in half, please do me a big favor and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell that's right next to it. Now let's get straight into the video, and you know what, share this video with anybody that you think may be struggling with detangling their hair, and I promise you, you will not regret it. This is an ultimate detangling product. Okay, so the ingredients include jasmine green tea infused water, flax or linseeds, castor oil, almond oil, glycerin and coconut oil. So I infused my water by just placing 2 tea bags of jasmine green tea in plain cold water and just waited for it to infuse. You can use whatever herbs you want, or you can just use plain water. Now, a very important tip is that you want to keep stirring your pot. It can stick and boil over very quickly. So just keep stirring it to check your mixture. And also, I made a mistake here. I added too much flaxseed to my water and my mixture became super thick and I had to keep adding water. And as you can see, my initial plan to use a sieve did not really work out well, so I had to change my plan and use a tight or stocking, which you may possibly have to do if your mixture is as thick as mine, and you need to wait for it to cool down a little bit so you can actually squeeze out the gel. So you stop squeezing when you've squeezed out all the gel, or your hand starts feeling like you're getting a carpal tunnel, or you make a rip in the tight, whichever one comes first. So normal people would stop here because you've got a great gel already, but I'm extra. So for extra moisture, I added castor oil, almond oil, glycerin and coconut oil. These are the oils that my hair loves and I love, and they work great with my hair, so those are the oils that I decided to add. You can add whatever you want and you just mix. Once you've mixed to your heart's content, you have your gel, your silky soft moisturizing gel, detangler, curl activator, whatever you want to use it for. It's amazing as a detangler and I would really recommend you to try it. And I'm not going to stop making this product. I may tweak it a little bit, but that's about it. I love it and I hope you love it too. If you made it to this point in my video, make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate that, and I will see you in my next one. Thanks for watching.